I wish I could just put all of these pictures into a slide with music, but that sounds so complicated. Ever thought that before? Today I'm going to teach you how to make your own digital story using any kind of pictures that you might want to display. We will do this by using a program called iMovie. Watch me as I teach you. On your Mac computer, there should be an icon of a star with a video camera in the center. It is right here at the bottom. That is your iMovie program. Just do a simple click. Once the program is open, go to File in the upper left hand corner and click New Project. Then you will name your project. I'm just going to name mine Digital Story Tutorial. And I'm going to hit No Theme. You can select any kind of theme or a movie trailer. Usually for pictures it would be a theme. I'm just going to click No Theme. Create. And there you have a blank slate. Then we're going to go and to File, and we're going to select New Event. And we're going to name our event. I'm going to name it the same thing. Digital Story Tutorial. Here is where we will drop in all of our pictures. So let's say we have created a file already with all of our pictures. I have it right here. It's called Digital Story. So I'm going to open my file, and I have my iMovie right here. I just dragged it a little. And I'm going to select all the pictures that I want to add to my digital story. And I'm going to select those. We're just going to drag them and drop them into our movie up here, which is our project library. And there you go. You have your pictures there. It only dragged 3. So let's say you want to drag some more. Same thing. Drag and drop. And it adds them. We're going to work with this for now. Once you have your pictures that you are going to use for your movie in your project library right here, you can arrange them in the order that you want. So you would just click on it, select and move to the front, or select and move towards the back. It just depends on how you want your pictures and what order. So then you're going to add title slides to your movie. So on this right side, there are 5 different icons. One is for music, one is for adding more pictures, one is for adding title slides, one is for transitions, and one is for adding maps. Right now we're going to click on the T, which is for title slides. So let's say that I want to start my movie with a drifting title slide. So I'm going to click on it and drag it to the very front of my movie. And then it's going to give me some backgrounds that I can choose from, and I'm just going to choose this red one. Here you can click and add a title, so Digital Story Tutorial will be my title. Then you will click Done, and there is the title slide, and you can go back over here and click in your project library, and if you just hit your space bar, it'll start playing your movie. And this is what we have so far. So now we're going to add some transitions to our movie. So we're going to click on this icon next to the T. And we're going to drag and drop the transitions in between the pictures. So let's say I click this cross blur. I drop it. Circle open. Drag and drop. Cube. Drag and drop. And if I just hit my spacebar, I can see that transition. And you can select, double click each transition, and it'll give you options for the time that you want it to last. So let's say here it has 0.4 seconds that it may last. You can make it last 0.8 9 seconds, and then you click done, and it'll last a little bit longer. You can also do that for your pictures. You can double click your pictures, and let's say this one lasts 3.5 seconds. I want it to last 7 seconds. And if you want to apply to all, you can click here and done, and then it'll make your pictures last a lot longer. Usually 4 to 5 seconds is the best for a picture slide. So I'm going to go back and switch it to 4 seconds, apply to all. Once that is done, you can again go back to the front, hit your space bar, it'll play your whole movie, and you can see the transitions and how each picture is lasting a little bit longer. So I'm going to stop the movie right there. The next step to do is to add your music if you want to add music to it. So you click the music icon, and then you can select from your music, from iTunes, from GarageBand. You can select iMovie sound effects, iLife sound effects. I'm just going to choose something from my music, sorry. So let's say Yuruma is a good one for a movie. So I'm just going to click, drag to the very front, and there it is. It'll add it in there. And as you can see in this green bar is the music. You can adjust the music by double clicking it. So the audio, you can make it louder or less. I'm gonna put it about 50, just in case I want to speak over my pictures. 50, 51, I'll leave it there. And then you can click done. And then you can go back and just double check your movie. You can hear the music playing. So now I'm going to show you how to add a voiceover on a picture on your project. So here on this bar, there is a microphone right here. You're going to click on it, and it says to record, click a clip where you want the voiceover to begin. So then you would click on the clip, and it'll give you a countdown. Then you can record your voice, a voiceover, and you can edit, and then you just hit the space bar to stop it. And you can go back and you can hear it. Countdown, then you can record your voice, a voiceover, and you can edit. So now your movie's ready to be played. You can go back to the beginning and watch it and verify that everything's in order and the transitions are right and your voiceover is correct. Once that is done, you can share your movie. This is very important because this is how you will complete your project. So at the top in this toolbar, you're going to click share, and you can share it to YouTube, or you can export the movie. You can share it to Facebook, to Vimeo, to CNN. I'm going to export the movie, and then from there I will decide where I want to share the movie. So I click export movie, and then it'll give me an option. If I want to make it mobile, medium, large, HD, I'm going to click medium because this was usually a very good size. It'll have good pixels. You can watch the movie and then you can listen to it, and you can usually upload it to any free website like YouTube. So Digital Story Tutorial, it's already named there, and I'm going to just click export, and it'll begin preparing my project, and that is it. Hope you found this tutorial helpful, and happy movie making!